I'm here in Puerto Escondido. I'm about to ride to Puerto Riste, which is, from what I understand, a straight shot right down the coast into Chiapas. I've heard anywhere between 6 and 8 hours to get there, but hopefully it'll be a nice day, nice ride over there. I got my bike behind me, my 2014 Triumph Tiger. It's been holding up so well all the way from Oakland, California to here in southern Mexico. And hopefully in a few days I'll be across the border into Guatemala.
So I made it to Puerto Riste, and I just stayed there for a couple days to unwind. I mean, check out this beach. This is what the beaches are like. And on top of that, I had a street dog adopt me that kind of followed me around all over the place. I don't know his name, he's just my buddy. Being pulled over by the police is always a consideration, but in this case, like most Mexican cops, he just wants to shake my hand and talk to me about motorcycles. So these pictures are from my first morning after waking up in Guatemala. I found this place. I was trying to get to Lake Atitlan, and this is Los Cumbres Eco Hotel. Everybody told me it'd be like 3 hours to get to Lake Atitlan, no matter how far away I was from it, actually. So, but I ended up here, and it was fantastic. So, my motorcycle's looking a little more respectful right now after almost 4,000 miles. If you look behind me, this is the highlands of Guatemala back here. Last night I made it through customs. It took me about 3 hours to get through customs, and I tried to get to Lake Atitlan, but I didn't make it there because it started getting dark and the roads are a little rough out here. But I'm going to be going there today. I think there's a time at some point when I'm going to have to wash this motorcycle, but aside from that, it's holding up really well. These roads here are like racetracks. Unbelievable. I eventually made it to Penajachel to stay in this amazing place, Jenna's River Bed and Breakfast, right at Lake Atitlan. It's owned by this very interesting lady called Jenna, and she's an excellent host, and you'll leave feeling like she's your friend. I decided to head to Antigua, down south, and check that out for a bit. came across the Achimchi ruins that were built in the late 15th century. This is a ball court from Mayan games. This is the courtyard of the royals. This place only flourished for about 60 years until the Spanish wiped it out. They even had a complex system with aqueducts, like this aqueduct seen here, to collect rain since there's no rivers nearby. Antigua is a great place for the novice traveler. While there's no question that it's a great example of a Spanish colonial city, it's currently been colonized by gringos from the United States and elsewhere. This is where you go if you want to go someplace that looks neat but you have all the comforts of home. There's essentially a parallel economy happening in this place where the people who are from Guatemala, the natives, don't really make money off the economy, whereas kids who are bartenders from England, Australia, and the US are making pretty good dough for the local economy. It's a neat place to walk around and take a look about, but for me, not the most interesting place to actually stay.